Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's slightly different. You see my face instead of my hands, and I'm not making anything today, so please don't switch off. Stay with me. Today I want to discuss the extra promotion that Stampin' Up are currently offering. It is a recruitment promotion that they're offering, and this basically means that when you become a demonstrator you need to purchase a starter kit. The starter kit is good value on its own, so it's £99 or €129, and for that you get to spend £130 and €175. Okay, so you'll be looking at pounds if you're here in the UK, or if you're in France, Germany, Holland or Austria, where you can sign up under me, you'll be looking at the euros. Okay, so you get £130 or €175 for the £99 or the €129. Okay, lots of numbers. I'm not good with numbers. I'm not a mathematician, as I've said before. So that's really a bargain in itself. Where else can you spend £130 or €175? Go to the checkout and they say that's only £99 or it's only €129. I've never gone to a craft store and they've done that. But not only that, there's additional benefits you get once you've signed up. So I'm going to discuss them today. And the extra promotion actually gives you more to spend, and it's not going to cost you any more. So you'll only ever pay the £99 or the €120 even. Okay, so now with this promotion, you're going to have £155 to spend instead of 130, and you're going to have €207 to spend instead of just the €175. Okay, but that's not all. You get more back. You get an additional £8 or additional €12 back the following month after you sign up as a coupon to spend. So you're getting lots. So you got the extra, and then they're giving you extra promotion. Okay, makes sense now? Good. So why sign up to be a demonstrator? I'm going to speak a bit about my story and why I became a demonstrator. One, the first time, and two, the second time. So I've been a demonstrator twice. I first signed up on my 18th birthday, back when I was a little baby Martin, back when I was 18. And I signed up because I loved Stampin' Up products. So because I knew I loved the Stampin' Up products, I knew full well that I wanted initially to save. So a demonstrator gets initially 20% off all catalogue items. So all the items in the catalogue, 20% off initially, but that can increase to 25%. So you're saving more. Okay, so you've already saved money by purchasing the starter kit, and then you're saving more every time you order. Simple. Okay, so I initially signed up for that, but once I became a demonstrator and I was in there, I realised that it was a family, and this is why I came back. So I left Stampin' Up because I wanted to go back to college and I wanted to go back to university, and I couldn't physically do both. I didn't drop because I was angry or upset with Stampin' Up in any way, or I had a falling out with my upline, which I hear people do, and it happens. We're all human. We all fall out. We all argue. We just need to be adults about it. But that's my experience. I'm so close to my upline and her upline, and then everybody in their teams. I am so close with everybody. If anybody wants me, I'm just a message away, and I know that's vice versa for them. So that's why I rejoined, because I started the second time just over a year ago. So literally the 1st of July I signed up under a similar promotion to this. Okay, so I can relate why you would want to sign up, but I'm trying not to sneeze, but hey ho. So I can relate. I signed up. I had no card making stuff when I signed up the second time, but because I had that 20% off and then the 25% off, I was able to grow my collection of card making goodies so that cheaper than catalogue price. It makes sense. It made sense to me, and that's why I did it. Okay, I didn't initially come into this sorry, to run a business the second time, but it's turned into that naturally, and I'm happy with it. I enjoy what I do. So that's my story. There's more to it, but quick overview. So who can purchase a starter kit? Absolutely anybody. So as I've already said, in the UK, France, Germany, Holland and Austria, that's who can sign up under me as a person. And there's different amounts for America, Japan and Australia and New Zealand, where Stampin' Up also are. Is it Japan or China? It's one of the two. I'm sure someone will shout at me. Leave a comment below. Shout at me. So that's basically what that is. I just said I promised myself I wouldn't. So anybody can purchase it from me in them 5 countries. So the UK, Germany, France, Holland and Austria. Why would you want to purchase it? As I've already said, the money value of the goods makes sense. You're already saving from day dot once you're purchasing it. But there is so much more to join, and I've got a list on my blog which I'm referring to because I don't remember all the benefits off the top of my head until you receive something in the post or you go to an event. You just don't remember until you're like, oh, I'm lucky to be a demonstrator because of this. So first things first, you get to join my team. So if you purchase the starter kit from me, then you become an honorary member of the hashtag the Magic Mayhems. I have a hashtag for my team. It's not used very often. It's used in all my posts that I post. However, that's just me. You should like me by now. But you become a member of my team. Our little symbol is a unicorn, and I have somewhere little packs that I send out to everybody who does join my team. It has a little badge in it. It has a little colour swatch. It has a little notebook. Just has little things as if to say welcome to my team. That's all it is. But I'd be happy for anybody to join it as long as you're in the 5 countries that I can do it, unfortunately. Anyone else, please let me know and I'll happy to point you in the direction of some of my crafty friends. Okay? So point 2, you become a demonstrator for 4 months. Straight off the bat, you become a demonstrator for 4 months and you get to utilise the 20% off or 25% if you get to that in the 4 months. What else? If you sign up now, you do get to stay a demonstrator until December. So we're 7. That's 5 months. So that's a long time. And to stay a demonstrator at that point, you do have to meet minimum sales, which is what people get scared of. Okay, so for the UK, it is £275. Okay, I'm not 100% sure in euros, sorry, but ask me and I'll find out after this video, so I'm ready to answer your questions. So that is with personal orders as well as sales. So if you and some friends purchase £270 worth of product in up until December, you then get to be a demonstrator for longer, okay, for another whole quarter. So it's beneficial, okay. And if you don't make them sales, you don't have to return the starter kit and you can sign back up afterwards, okay. So you can then take advantage of the promotion, of signing up and saving on the order of over £100. Okay. So as I was saying before, you have the 20% off, and that can be increased to 25% off all Stampin' Up orders. You also get exclusive pre-orders. So what event have we got coming up? We have got the autumn winter catalogue coming up. So you'll be able to see that before everybody else, and you'll be able to purchase from that catalogue before anybody else. Okay, yes, okay, it's beneficial from a business point of view, but if you're not going to run it as a business, which is fine, you don't have to, then it's just an added bonus. There are a free magazine that you get through the post every quarter. So this is a super fun magazine. I don't have one to hand, but it has lots of inspiration, business tips if you're running a business. What else does it have? It has good tips. So we've had one previously about what ink pads to use with what colouring tools, what to do with this ink pad, what could you do with this one. It's very informative, perfect for any hobbyists who want to try something new or want to push the boat out on a card. Keep saying So as I said as well, I said that again, exclusive demonstrator events. That is not only held by Stampin' Up, but held by my upline and her upline. Okay, so you can go to plenty of events, meet plenty of different people. These are held all across the UK, so I'm sure that there'll be one that you could attend, and also events that I hold. So you can attend that, we can meet, we can be friends. If we're not already friends, I hope we are. But yeah, so exclusive events, and at the Stampin' Up events, you do get to see new products as well. So we got to see the new catalogue months before everybody else. Happy days. For every £1 or euro you spend, or the equivalent to £1, you get a flex point. So flex points accumulate, and that basically gives you the chance to either buy things for free, so like catalogues. I can purchase a pack of 8 for free because I've accumulated so many flex points, or I can turn that into credit to then save money on my next order, which if you're going to run this as a business, you're going to look at the catalogues or the other items. But if you're being a hobbyist, stammered there, sorry, being a hobbyist, then you could look at the product credit. And of course, if you do choose to run this as a business, you get to earn money from it. Now I'm here, I run this as a business, primarily an online business. However, I do have experience in running classes and holding workshops. So I'm here to help you reach whatever targets you want. Okay, and I'll be there if you need me. Send me a message and I'll be there. I will help you the best way I can to reach them goals and get to where you want to be, because at the end of the day, seeing you succeed is only going to help me in my business. Common sense. Have I missed anything off the list? I think there's more than that, but just trying to remember. So by signing up now, you do get to you could attend an on-stage, which is the demonstrator only event, in November, which is going to be held in Germany. That's exciting. So I wish I was going. Hopefully I'm going. I'm trying to convince Sean, but we'll see. So make the most of the starter kit because you get so much more. Okay, and just to reiterate, with the extra promotion, that's £155 spent, catalogue spend, and that only costs you £99. In euros, that's 207 euros spend in the catalogue, and that will only cost you 129 euros. So you're making massive savings from day dot, Okay, and as I said earlier, what shop could you walk into? You spend £155 and you get to the checkout and they say that's £99. Craziness. It doesn't happen. So Stampin' Up are offering it. Make the most of it. It's logical. Okay. Yes. Okay. We might not all be able to spend £99 in one go or €129. I understand that. However, if you can, make the most of it because you're saving and saving and saving thereafter. Because let's face it, when you do go to that checkout and they say £99 and you say, okay, that's fine, happy days, are they then going to offer you the 20% off on every other visit? No. Stampin' Up are. So make the most of it. I would be happy to welcome any of you into my team. Okay, my team needs to grow, it needs to expand, and you are more than welcome to join. Okay, so you get exclusive, you get me in your life. I'll be your friend. I'm your friend anyway, but you get to be my closer friend because you're joining my family. Okay, any questions, please reach out. Or if you are looking just to purchase product, please also contact me. All the links are going to be below, as well as my contact information, as well as links to my social media for you to reach out on whichever platform you feel more comfortable. I'll be happy to help with any questions, so make sure you do reach out. I'm not scary. Hopefully this video has proven it. See you around. Bye.